Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of trip.com you click on settings. So here in this first page of settings we click. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of trip.com and you will enter. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. After that you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.